Now start recording. Okay, students, in Allium lab, we have what you can say. This is a Excel file. This is a blank Excel file. This is a, you can say, the instruction, how you will do the program. Okay, I will open this here and I will open this here. Okay. Now see here in step number 1, you have to check Colgromo Simron. Malum Colgromo Simron in the last lab, sorry, class, we have one table. Shufina, we have DMS. One more. Colgromo Simron, we have solved in the class. Colgromo Simron, chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, we have this Colgromo Simron. This is Colgromo Simron, I by N. Here we solve one question. Okay, so this we solve Colgromo Shufna. This we solve Wahid question. Okay, like this table you have to do, and same we have done for this Kitab question. So the Allium program is for this only. Okay, so this is the instruction, this is the file. Now see how I am doing. In step number 1, enter the data. Yani in step number 1, here you will prove R. Okay, R yani random number. Now this is step number 1, finish. Now go to step number 2. In step number 2, put your cursor in this, go to data. In Excel, go to data. Hina maujood data analysis. This maujood in data analysis. Click this. Jadid window open. Hina click random number generation. Click OK. Okay. Now he will ask you number of variable. Go to this malaf. Hina shuf. Next. How many you have to enter? Wahid 200. Uktub hina 1. Hina uktub 100. After that, any change? Okay. Output range. Output range. Output range. Output range. Yeah. Output range. Okay. Click this again and click OK. What it is dash A2 1 to 100. Input range missing. Please enter input range. Okay. Input range yani hina discrete select uniform. Hina 0 to 1. Here in output select this. Again number of variable uktub 1, number of random number uktub 100. Distribution select uniform. Hina uktub 0 to 1 and hina in output click here and select this column. Okay, and put OK. So automatically this number will come. This understand or no? Any student open mic and tell. Yes. Yes, student. Okay. Now next, this here, see the random number is produced. Click this, like this. Okay. This finish. Now number 3. We arrange the random number as follow. You have to arrange the random number. Yani click this kullu random number, 100 random number. Go to short. Where is short? This is short. This you have go to go to data hina मौजूद short SORT. Click this here. The same option. Then you will put okay. So this is automatically short. After that, hina uktub I yani ash I formula is hina 1 here equal to this plus y hina drag drop. Okay. So hina B4, B5, B6 automatic formula will come. So this column finish. Now next hina put I divided by capital N. So this I divided by capital N is how you will calculate? This you will calculate with the help of this, yani hina equal to this B3 divided by 100. Enter. Yani this I divided by 100 because n yani how much? N is 100 because we have taken 100 random number. Click this, do up to akhir. Okay. Now this finish. Now next is you have to do I minus 1. Oh, sorry. In a I minus 1 divided by n. N yani capital because n is a random number. So how you will calculate? Uktubina equal to itne in bracket.
Doctor, this is 1 minus 1.
Okay, no problem. I will change. Okay. So here up to this B3 minus y, but then divided. Oh, sorry, where it is gone? You know, divided by n yani come 100. This is the formula. Here change. This is I. Here we apply the formula. We have to drag drop it up to the last. Okay, this we apply this formula. Okay, and this also we finish. Okay, next we have to calculate. So this same we have to do. Next we have to calculate Ri minus this. So here write down the formula Ri minus in bracket I minus 1 and after that divided by n. This is the formula. Okay, so how you will do here? Ri yani ash Ri yani this column. Okay, this Ri. Okay, after this this I minus 1 divided by n automatically you calculated Hinashuk this same. So minus this and enter. So this minus this because Ri minus this, so automatically drag. This is the formula. Okay, after this this you calculated. After you have to calculate d plus. Okay, d plus yani maximum hina apply formula. D plus you have to calculate and d minus you have to calculate. After that d equal to you have to calculate. So d plus formula is max 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 from D E. Okay, max from this, maximum from. Mhm. Enough to equal to max, max in bracket, go up to RQ. Okay, enough to enter. This is the maximum value for this. And next, in also to equal to max, but then bracket, select this. Okay, this is the another maximum value. And this talata tani d, you have to select maximum in hina, yani maximum in the maximum between this value. So how you will calculate? Equal to max, इतने in bracket, and select this. This is the maximum value. Okay, so like this you have to do